Hello everyone. For those of you who are new, my name is John. Usually what we do in this channel is all about looking for discounted items, sale price. You know, we're not gonna buy items that are at retail price. Okay, we always want to save money. So if you're the type of person that wants to save money, this channel is for you. On and off, I'm gonna I'm gonna do like an unbox, a review, installations of a certain item that I purchased. Okay, and sometimes I do get like sponsored. So if that's the case, I'll let you guys know ahead of time. Okay, so in this particular today's videos, we're going to be talking about this microphone that I just bought off of Amazon. We're going to unbox it, and I'm going to probably going to do a follow-up video on reviewing it. See, okay, so I don't know if you guys can see it, but this is what we're dealing with today. There you go. So it's, I don't know if I pronounce it right, but TONOR, and the model number is TW-820 wireless microphone. Okay, it's gonna come with 2 microphones and a transmitter, and this one that does come with a 2-year warranty. So this one right here I purchased with my own money. And before I placed, I made the purchase, I checked the review. I looked at other cameras as well, and just to see, you know, which one's better. And by far, this has like a lot of reviews, and like most, I think 4 out of 5 stars. Okay, it's really good. So that's why I'm gonna, that's why I chose this one right here. Okay, so this is the front of the box. This is the side, and this is the back, and this is the side. Okay, and right now we're just gonna unbox it. Let's see what's inside. So maybe I'm gonna bring you guys back here. Probably put you guys maybe on top of this thing. How about this one? It would be too high up. So how about that? Better? Okay, let me know if that's better. Alright, so maybe go a little bit over here. So, okay, so we have, this is made in China. Okay, so first we have the manual, the instructions. Okay, and it tells you how to set it up. Different frequencies, warranties, 2 years. TONOR provides 2 years of after-sales service, free replacement to products that are not damaged resulting from accident, alterations, misuse, negligence, or abuse. If exceeding 30 days of Amazon's return policy, you can still contact us through Shopify TONOR. We will serve you with full sincerity, and they give you the website. Okay. What's inside the box? Looks like it's packaged really good. Okay, really nice. So here is the receiver. Sounds like metal. Okay, and these are the 2 knobs for 2 channels, A and B. The face plate, I think this is made out of plastic. Okay, and you have on the back side, you have the antenna that you can put it up. Okay, and on the back, you can see balance B, And then you got the mix, DC in, balance A. That's pretty much it. And on the bottom, it just has the serial number of the receiver. Okay, put that aside. And over here, let's go with the microphone. Oh, wow. Can you guys hear it? Looks pretty good. Feels good. Okay, it has a power button. A little LCD. This is where you change the battery. And it's here. It tells you what mic it is. This is mic B. And inside here, it has high and low. I think that's the different frequencies that you can change, switch to, you know, to see if you get improved sound. And it will take 2 AA, 1.5 volts. The housing sounds like metal. Pretty good. Okay. And what do we have? The next one is probably another mic. Yep, another mic. Mic A. Perfect. Right. What is this? Oh, this is the outlet, the adapter, the cable charger. I'll plug into the receiver. This goes to behind this receiver and the mixer. Okay. Oh, yeah, a receiver, whichever one that you guys have. And I don't know what it is. This is what, the mic cover, the noise reducer, or whatever you guys want to call it. What else in the box? Oh, what is this? Mic. Oh, I think this one too. You put it in the mic so you can, so the mic doesn't roll. That's what I'm assuming. Right? Am I doing it wrong? Yeah, you leave it like that, and then you can leave it on the, like this, and it stays in one place. It doesn't roll. There we go. Flip it, flip it, flip it. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna install it. I'm gonna put it in and put this over. Hopefully I'm not gonna rip it, because I think it's gently, 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 little by little, side by side, side by side. Okay, side by side. There we go. Touch all the way down. Yep, all the way down. There we go. We have ourselves a mic. All right, let's do another one. Where's the other one? Throw this back here. Don't really need it. Where is this one here? Stands up. All the way in. Push it in. Go all the way up. Sounds good. Put this over. There we go. All right, there we go. We have our stuff right here. So that's pretty much it for the unboxing video. So I think I bought this for $120. If you guys have any questions, let me know. I'll leave everything in the description part. So if you guys want to purchase it, you can just buy it through there. And if you guys buy it through the my affiliated link, I'm gonna get a little bit of cut from Amazon. So if you guys, that's one of the ways that you guys can help out the channel. And if you guys like the video, give it a like and subscribe for more videos coming up. But other than that, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.